Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you these 3D leaves in a rectangle shawl scarf. Okay, it's a lacy shawl and so beautiful. You remember previous videos I shared with you this leaves in triangle shawl, but now I want to make it in this line, and you can use it everywhere which you want. Okay, you can find these beautiful shawls links here, and also in my channel a lot of shawls and scarves. I believe you can find which you want in my channel. Look at that link. Okay, you can see that it's so lacy and looking beautiful. I hope you like this tutorial. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful lacy 3D leaf scarf. Let's start crochet. I use size category yarn is 2, and it has a like that chain structure. It's 100% of cotton, and I will use with that 4mm hook. It's raised, but it's 4, and brand is tulip. You need multiples of 6 plus 3 chains. First of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you not make your chain so tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can grow up your scarf which width you want. Okay, it's enough for me. I want to show you a little piece. And plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and skip 1, 2, 3 chains and insert into the fourth one. Grab my yarn, pull through to pull through to. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch. Grab my yarn, pull through to pull through to. Yarn over, insert into the next. Grab my yarn, pull through to pull through to, and make a double crochet. In first row we made a double crochet. We will make a double crochet in every each stitch. I complete and turn to you. I complete my doubles. Now we start to make pattern. Chain 3 and turn my work. We made this chain 3 for our side double crochet. Then add 2 more chains, yarn over and skip 2 stitch. Insert into the third one and make double crochet. Then chain 2, yarn over and insert into the same stitch and make 1 more double. So we have V stitch. Chain 2, skip 2, insert into the third one and make a double. Chain 2, skip 2, insert into the third one, make V stitch here, double. Chain 2 and make 1 more double in the same stitch. Chain 2, skip 2, insert into the third one and make a double. Chain 2, skip 2, insert into third one and make V stitch, double. Chain 2 and make 1 more double in the same stitch. Chain 2 and finish with double crochet. Make double crochet on the last stitch, stop. This row you will make 1 V stitch, 1 double, 1 V, 1 double. Okay. Chain 3 and turn your work. Then add 2 more chains, so you will turn with chain 5. Yarn over and insert your hook V stitch, chain 2 space and make a double. We start to make our leaves. Yarn over and insert my hook from here. Turn back and insert your hook this box 2 V-stitch. Grab my yarn and pull it. 1, insert here again, 2, yarn over, 3, yarn over, 4, pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, and pull through 3. Left 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and this time insert your hook directly in V-stitch. Grab your yarn, 1, 2, 3, and 4 as puff stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, and pull through 3. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. Chain 2 and yarn over, come to double crochet top and make here double crochet. Chain 2, yarn over and come to next V and make here double and make here one more leaf. Yarn over and turn here. Insert your hook like that. Grab my yarn, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, and pull through 3. Left 2 loops. Yarn over and insert your hook directly in V-stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, pull through 3. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. Chain 2, make double crochet on the double crochet. Chain 2, come to last V, make first of all double crochet, then yarn over and insert your hook back of this double crochet to chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, and pull through 3. Yarn over and insert your hook this time directly this V here. Grab your yarn, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, and pull through 3. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. Chain 2 and complete the row with double crochet at the end of this stitch. Here. Now we slide these leaves and we prepare new leaves place after this row, after put the new leaves places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and turn your work. Yarn over and insert your hook between of these leaves here. Pull through 2 and pull through 2, make double crochet. Chain 2 and make V stitch on this double. Double, chain 2 and make one more double. Chain 2, come to new leaves, middle space, and make double. Chain 2 and come to double crochet top and make a V stitch. Chain 2 and make one more double. Chain 2, come to new leaves, middle space, make a double. Chain 2 and come to the last stitch, insert your hook, third chain, and finish with double crochet. We prepare the new leaves place. Again, turn with chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn your work. Yarn over and make double crochet on the double crochet. Chain 2 and insert your hook chain 2 space in V stitch and make a double. Then yarn over and insert your hook. Look at that. We have a chain 2 box here. I insert my hook like that in this V stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3 and pull through 3. Left these 2 loops. Yarn over and insert your hook directly in this V stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3 and pull through 3. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. Chain 2 and make double crochet on the double crochet. Chain 2 and make double crochet in V stitch. Yarn over and insert my hook like that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3 and pull through 3. Get pull off your loops in 4 times. Yarn over and insert your hook directly in this V stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. Chain 2 and make double crochet on the double. Chain 2 and insert my hook. 3rd chain and finish my 4th row. When you on the front side, you will make double crochet on the double crochet and make a leaf on the V stitch. When you back side, you will make your doubles middle space of the leaves and make V stitch on the double crochets. Like that I will show you. This is the repeat of the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains and turn my work. I see here double crochet. I make here V stitch, double, chain 2 and double. Then chain 2, come to leaf and here is middle space. I insert my hook here and make double crochet here. Then chain 2 and see double crochet and make V stitch here. Double, chain 2 and double. This is repeat of the first row. After you will make a leaf on the V stitch and make a double crochet on the double crochet, repeat of the second row. Then you will slide the leaves place. Always repeat those 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, which length you want. Okay, this is rectangle form and this is triangle shawl form. I hope you like this tutorial. Also, you can make the border like that shells. I want to make like double crochet, but if you want, you can make these shells, or you can make at the end of this shawl, make a border. It's your choice. I hope you like, and if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.